Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2018 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic 115th Anniversary Edition with 7,066 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, and reverse. This Tri-Glide is numbered 756 of 1900 produced. The Tri-Glide offers the grand touring experience on the stability of 3 wheels, turning heads with its anniversary legend blue and black paint set. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Tri-Glide puts 114 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,204 pounds and has a 27.1 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.